Tonight, we're making, another frittata. We like eggs, and we like filling them. Quick pause. Time for a little broccoli rabe. Probably the best vegetable to go along with sausage. I believe it's the healthiest. That's why we like broccoli rabe. If you try this with your hands, broccoli rabe, this is raw broccoli rabe. It's been chopped. Well, it's actually been cleaned, chopped, and frozen. I touch this, it sticks to your hands the same way it is sticking to the spoon. This batch of broccoli rabe's almost done. Ooh. I think it's time to do a pasta dish. Linguine and clam sauce with broccoli rabe, or should I do oysters? I don't have any oysters, I don't have any clams. Give it a little shake. Alright, we're going to egg it up. Alright, I already flattened the eggs, so it's setting into the broccoli rabe. Somebody asked me to do something special for them, and I think I'll do that tomorrow night. I want to distribute the sausage. It is sticking, it's been cold. Peppers, onions. I actually wanted to do this with oysters. Somebody recommended not. Tomorrow night we're going to be doing with shrimps. Oh, this smells so good. I'm decorating with sausage, pepper, and onions. Push it down a little. All right, that's for tomorrow night. All right, let's finish our frittata up. A little extra sharp cheddar cheese. You don't need a lot, just a little. That is our binder for the top. Next time you see this, I'm going to try to do the flip. If it gets up there, I did it. If I didn't, oops, it wasn't a perfect flip. Sorry. Love you.